Hello and good day, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Mental Math Techniques. I'm Sir Marcy. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated with my latest videos. And for today's video, I'm going to share to you how to square a two-digit number ending in 5 and how to multiply two two-digit numbers in the same decade whose units digit add to 10 without using a calculator. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's start. Okay, before I'm going to share to you the shortcut in squaring a number, I want you to square the following numbers. I'm going to give you only 40 seconds and timer starts now. Okay, you have only 20 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. And time's up. Let's now reveal the answer. For number 1, we have 45 squared. The answer is 2025. For number 2, we have 65 squared. The answer is 4225. For number 3, we have 25 squared. The answer is 625. For number 4, we have 15 squared. The answer is 225. For number 5, the answer is 7,225. For number 6, we have 1,225. And for number 7, we have 5,625. For number 8, we have 3,025. And for number 9, the answer is 9,025. Now the question here is how to get the square of these numbers without using calculator. Okay, I'm going to share it to you now. Now let's try to use 45 squared. If we're going to use multiplication, 45 squared means you're going to multiply 45 by itself. So that's 45 multiplied to 45. Okay, using multiplication, we have 5 times 5, that is 25. So we write 5 carry 2. 5 times 4, that's 20, plus 2, that is 22. Next, 4 multiplied to 5, that is 20. So I'll write 0 here and then remainder 2. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2, that is 18. Then we add. So bring down 5. 2 plus 0, that is 2. 2 plus 8, that is 10. So 0 carry 1. And then 1 plus 1, that is 2. So the square of 45 square is 2025. Now actually, you can square the numbers ending in 5 in just 5 seconds. Okay? So what are the steps? Okay, without using calculator, you can get the square of this number in just 5 seconds. Okay, so first, remember that since the number ends in 5, the product is end in 25. Okay, so we have here 45 squared. So that means the product ends in 25. Next is we're going to multiply the tens digit, this one, by 1 higher, which is what is 1 higher by 4. So that's 5. So we have 4 times 5, and that is 20. So we will just write the product in front. So the answer here is 2025. Okay, let's try to have another example. Suppose we're going to get the square of 85 squared. By multiplication, we have 85 times 85. So 5 times 5, 25. So this is 5 carry 2. 5 times 8, 40 plus 2, we have 42. Then 8 multiplied to 5, that's 40. So 0 carry 4. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 4, that is 68. Okay, so bring down 5. 2 plus 0, that is 2. 4 plus 8, that is 12. So this is 2 carry 1. Then 1 plus 6, the answer is 7. So the square of 85 square is 7,225. So if we're going to apply it, or if we're going to square 85 mentally, remember that ends with 25. Then to get the next part, that is simply multiply the tens by 1 higher. So what is 1 higher by 8, which is, that's 9. So 8 times 9, that is 72, and we will just write it in front. So the product of 85 square or 85 square is simply 7,225. Okay, I have another set of problem for you. Can you multiply these numbers in 40 seconds? Okay, timer starts now. Okay, time's up. Now let's try to answer. 44 times 46, the product is 2024. 37 times 33, that is 1221. 22 multiplied to 28, that is 616. We have 51 multiplied to 59, the product is 3009. Next, we have 73 times 77, that is 5,621. Then we have 35 times 35, the product is 1,225. For question number 7, we have 14 times 16, that is 224. For number 8, we have 26 times 24, that is 624. And for question number 9, 53 times 57, the answer is 3,021. Okay, let's try to multiply again 44 times 46 using multiplication. Okay, so we have here 44 times 46. So 4 times 6, that is 24. So that's 4 carry 2. 6 times 4, 24 plus 2, that is 26. Then 4 multiplied to 4, that is 16. So we have 6 carry 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, that is 17. Next is we add. So bring down 4. 6 plus 6 is 12. So this is 2 carry 1. 1 plus 2 plus 7, that's 10. So we have 0 carry 1, and then 1 plus 1, that is 2. The product of 44 multiplied to 46 is 2,024. Again, if you encounter this kind of problem, you can multiply this in 5 seconds. So this example, we have 44 times 46. It is actually a 2-digit number in the same decade, meaning they have the same tens digit, and the unit digit add to 10, which is the ones digit. So notice that 4 and 6 add to 10. So we're going to use this step. First is you will multiply the unit digit. So we have 44 times 46. So multiply the units digit or the ones digit. So 4 times 6, that is 24. Next, if the product is less than 10, make it a 2-digit number, writing 0 in front. For example, we have 1 times 9, it would be written as 0, 9. Next, after we get the product of the unit digit, we will multiply the tens digit 1 higher and write that product down in front. So what is the number higher, one higher number than 4? So that's 5. So 4 times 5, the answer is 20. So we will just write it in front again. So that's our answer, 2024. Okay? So if we're going to use 51 times 9 and we're going to get the product in 5 seconds. So first is we will multiply the unit digit. So 1 times 9, that is 9. So we will have 0, 9. Then what is the number higher? One higher number than 5. That is 6. So we have 5 times 6. The answer is 30. So we will just write it in front. Then the product now is 3009. Alright, since you already know how to multiply numbers, 2-digit number that add up the unit digit to 10, let's try to answer this again in 40 seconds. Timer starts now. Alright, time's up. Let's now answer the following. For number 1, the product is 4,216. For number 2, 9,009. For number 3, 7,224. For number 4, we have 221. For number 5, 621. For number 6, that's 1,224. For number 7, 5,624. For number 8, 7,216. And for number 9, the product is 209. Okay, if your score is greater than 5, that means you already mastered our lesson. Okay? And that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.